welcome back. But if you're new here, I am Abel, and so are you. I got here today a set, if you will, of flush cutters and needle nose pliers, miniature. These are from Crescent. So let's take a look here. The part number is S2KS5NN. Crescent, trusted by the trades. These are going to be precision miniature wire cutter and plier set. Low profile, tighter grip, less slip. Limited lifetime warranty. Okay. On the back here, sorry for the glare. Cut soft wire up to 20 gauge. We'll cut a little bit of wire. Serrated jaws for better gripping. Non-slip, easy clean cushion grips. Here's some of your warnings for your safety goggles, guys. Handles are not electrically insulated. That means this is not an insulated tool that you can use on energized wires. Okay, let's see here. Made in Vietnam. It's a tool company. Okay. So guys, you can pick these up at Lowe's. I'm sure you've seen them. I'm sorry, not Lowe's. It would be I'm having a brain fart. The orange store, the big red orange store. Oh wow, I'm drawing a blank. It'll come to me, guys. Bear with me. All right. Here we have these nice orange handles. I'll say this right off the rip. These feel good, but when I cracked open this package, these reeked. They stank, to be blunt. They had a strong chemical smell. And what I did is I took a baby wipe and wiped these handles down, both of them, and that cured the problem. The stench was very strong, a very chemical smell that I did not like. And so I got a couple of baby wipes, wiped them off, no problem, no more smell. So if you guys do decide to pick these up, be aware they're going to be funky when they come out the package. So yeah. So here we're going to have your flush cutters. Let's look at the handle here. Wear your safety glasses. Always, guys. Crescent branding, name. This is what we got here. Wear safety glasses. A little oil. This here is going to be your spring. This spring is like a U-shaped spring. If you see how that works? So on this side, it goes in there, just a little hook there, and then it probably goes down and turns around and come back up. And that's going to be your tension, your spring loaded. So if you didn't want these spring loaded, you could take that out and just slide that up out the handle. Here's your rivet. Bigger button here. And there's nothing really keeping that in. It looks like you can just knock that through and pull it out if you wanted to. You know, if you maybe want to sharpen these, maybe you damaged them, you can knock that little pin out, and then you can easily sharpen these edges and then put them right back together. A little oil there. And if you can see, that's pretty flush. I can run my finger across it. That's pretty flush. See if we can get it better. It's pretty flush, guys. Yep. So, take a look at these here. These are going to be your needle nose. Very, very mini or stubby, however you want to call that. Got some little serrations there. You know, not very tacky. You know, these would be good for like pulling out fuses, pulling out little fuses, and you know, if you got an electronical board and you're pulling out, let me see here. We can go ahead and try this. This is pretty much identical. Yeah, except for the tips. You got the same spring, that U-shaped spring. Same pin. So, if, I'm not going to damage this, but if I wanted this, these are raised up maybe a millimeter. Maybe these are raised up just maybe a millimeter. But could I grab this and hold on to it? Yeah, that's pretty good. If I tried to pull this out, I would damage this board, so I wouldn't do that. This is just a, wow, I'm losing my words today, guys. RAM. This is just some RAM cards. Wow. Okay. This is a video that I'm kind of messing up, guys. I'm sorry. Let's see here. I'm gonna try to push through this video, and if it doesn't turn out right, I'll just go ahead and delete it and do it again. Here's some 14 gauge stranded wire. And what did it say we could cut here? Did it say we could cut something? 20 gauge. Yeah. So, you know, as those numbers get smaller, the gauge gets bigger. So this was a 14 gauge. So let's just snip it and see what happens. Maybe, oh, okay, I went down too far. Because if you notice, there's a little hole. See that? There's a little hole there. So I'm guessing you could strip some wire. I'm guessing down there you could strip. Yeah. So you could strip some wire. But if I wanted to cut the wire, then I would go up a little bit. See that? Wow, that shot away. Yeah. I got some glasses on, guys. I don't have safety glasses on, but I do have glasses on, and that's why you should be wearing your safety glasses. This here is 10 gauge. This is some pretty thick wire. They don't suggest you should cut anything this big, but it did it. I guess it was down too far. See, this is pretty fat, so you still cut it though. Just gotta watch the little groove down there. See that? That closes and leaves a little. So that could be for stripping wire. And maybe 20 gauge is what it's designed to strip if you wanted to strip. But yeah, it cuts. So let's see here. We got some, because this is probably what you're going to be using this for. So let's see how close, how flush or flesh? Flush. Let's say flush. Get down in here. And let's see here. Right there. That's flush. Look at that. Yep. That is flush. Just a little. That's pretty good. Let's try it again. See if I can get nice and flush. Wow. That's flush. I don't think it gets flusher than that. And it's on there. It doesn't get more flush than that. Does it? That's pretty good. And I got both of these for 15 bucks. It's almost recessed. Yeah, it's almost recessed in there. Look at that. I don't know how I managed to do that. I did tug on it a little bit. I think I did tug on it. One more last time. Okay. Flush. Yeah. Guys, that's still recessed in there. I didn't pull on it this time. That, it doesn't get any flusher than that. There's nothing hanging off of that. That's excellent, in my opinion. We got a smaller one here. And it just came to me. Home Depot. Wow. These come from Home Depot, guys. I apologize. Let's do a flush cut on this. Now here I feel a little bit. I do feel a little bit. But that's flush. That is flush. See, it's some little, let's try it again. Take it down as much as I can. Yeah. Just a little, but come on. That's flush. You're not gonna cut yourself on that. You know, if you tie down something, you're not gonna cut yourself on that. Hey, these are winning. I picked these up for 15 bucks for both. So probably about 17 with taxes. And you know, Crescent is a decent name. So yeah, guys, I'm not gonna hold you too long. I just wanted to share those with you. They're pretty nice. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I'm not too proud of this video. I kind of was fumbling around a little bit, but I do apologize. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe. I'm a small channel getting started. I got a little bit of momentum thanks to you guys. I did hit 100 subscribers, and I am really grateful to you guys who have took the time to hit that button and subscribe. I hope to keep doing these videos. If I left anything out in this video, please put it in the comments. Continue to educate me, educate the community. We'll all be better for it. Again, thanks, guys. And remember to thumbs up.